What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Profit. My name's Adam, and I'm a full-time reseller. If you're new here, I show you all different kinds of ways to make money. So if you like money, hit that subscribe button. Today, I thought I would talk about eBay's TerraPeak tool and how it's useful in looking up items past the 90 days. Normally on eBay, you can only look up sold comps from 90 days, and that's in the app. But I'm going to show you how anybody with an eBay store has this free tool to use that you can look up sold items past 90 days. And I'm going to explain all of this with an example, so let's dive right in. I had this pair of shoes that I found in my death pile, and I remember sourcing these from Burlington several years ago. They were $59.99, and at the time, I think I remember them going for over like $200. But when I search on eBay right now by the style code, nothing comes up. I even search by what the shoe is called with Team USA because they're Team USA shoes, and nothing comes up. There's nothing out there listed right now. I even try some Google searches and can't even pull some old listings that way. So I'm going to go to eBay's free TerraPeak tool and show you guys how to find these shoes. All right, so to find TerraPeak, you can actually find it on eBay if you go to your seller hub and go to tools. But I always just Google it because half the time I'm out sourcing and I just look it up on my phone. So again, you can't do this in the eBay app. You have to do it on the browser. So I'll do it on Safari on my phone. But all you're going to do is come down here to TerraPeak. All I did was type TerraPeak into Google. And then all you have to do is scroll down and click this Go to TerraPeak Product Research. All right, and now we are in. So all you're going to do is type in whatever you want. So that style code of those is GY2792. GY2792. Going to search that. And then we're going to set our dates here. So you can actually search for all the way back past 3 years. I think even farther than that. I think it's 5 years back. You can set custom dates. Let's just set the last 3 years just to be nice and easy. And boom, look at that. Pulls up both of them. Some guy for some reason sold them at 85, but I knew I saw that over $200 price, and there's none out there right now. We can see if we check the last 30 days. Actually, let's check the last 6 months. I don't think there's anything out there. Oh, that's the 250. Oh, that's mine. That's mine that I listed. Okay, that makes sense. So I listed mine at 250 because this will show active listings too. So this is showing the active listings, the start date, literally none sold. Let's come back here to the last, let's go last 3 years. And so this will tell you the amount sold. So it will show you actives, but it will also tell you the solds. You can also sort by just the solds. So we can see it 2 sold, average price of $155, but there's none out there. There's no competition. And I see that someone fetched $225. That's why I have 250 on there. But the analytics it pulls is pretty cool. It'll tell you the sell through, the number of sellers. This isn't the best example because there's only 2 sellers that have sold this. And you can see all the other things you can sort by up here. So it's just a very useful tool and super easy to use. That probably wasn't the best example to use because there were only 2 solds. Like a lot of times it will have like 20 to 30 solds, and I'm looking for things that are out of season. So in the summer, I'm sourcing boots. In the winter, I'm sourcing sandals. And a lot of times those things won't have sales histories in the last 90 days because they're just out of season. So TerraPeak is a great way to look what they were selling for in season when they were hot and in demand. So I hope this video was nice and concise and helpful. And hopefully, if you didn't know about TerraPeak, you know about it now. If you didn't know how to use it, hopefully you know how to use it now. It's a super easy tool to use, and anyone with an eBay store should definitely be taking advantage of it. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Profit.